There are so many children you have watched, and now you are going to watch these kind of students who will talk about the women empowerment, and this is a very good subject for the talking between the students. So we will listen after the few seconds, and now you are going to listen. Okay.
Over here, so as already we have got a topic based on the women empowerment, and actually a few days before only the women day came, and we all celebrated, and it became a red letter day of our life. And seriously and literally I think so that women is a very important part of everybody's person's life, because they play such kinds of and various kinds of roles like of mother, sister, cousin, and even of any of the person, and even so many plays are being played by the women. And even I want to tell that at the very you can say at the used to people used to just say that women cannot do anything, they are just a burden of the house, and they are just a waste, and they had only the work that they had to marry and after to just go at the to their life and to just go away and from the house. But it was all like the rumors were there. So I think it's all about a wrong thing, and seriously I think so that women can do everything because they have a lot of power in them. And the topic is really so small, women empowerment, but the meaning creates a huge kind of history, and it became even a watershed of our life. And I want to even say that the Kalpana Chawla and even the Saina Nehwal and many even guys, they did lots of hard work in their life and struggle a lot. Their strategy made them to do such kinds of work that they went on a very high opportunity. They acquired such a huge opportunity that they used and just make their India, their country proudful on her. And therefore I think so that women is really a very important part. And even the girls, we all are today the girls, small kids, and here just we speak and read, but after our life we just can see after a small phase of our life we will even become women. So this is a very great opportunity that we need to acquire, or we need to snatch from someone, and we need to use it in a very good way, such as that we can, because it is a very good utilization of resource. And next thing that I want to say that don't every time underestimate yourself, because you are the woman, and even the guys who are watching to me or watching to everybody here, they even there will be someone who is woman. So I just want to say that don't ever underestimate yourself, because when you will disappoint, so everything will be disappointed and you cannot achieve anything, because imbibing is only the thing that you want to do in your life. And next thing that I want to say at a termination, that I feel like saying that never underestimate yourself. Every time just grow the feelings, the willpower from yourself, because that willpower will make you to do and will create a opportunity for yourself that you can sunshine in very darkness.
So there we all are getting a very nice opportunity, that is the women's, as they are the women's empowerment. And this empowerment means we all have a very nice power, and women's always do a very nice creation. And do you know that there the women's take the relation, and it is very important person for the every person. And do you know that the women can do everything, but some persons means for this some persons always they think that girls are the burden. But if you are thinking that girls are the burden, so don't think, because if you are here only by a girl, and do you know that girls are very important and women can do everything. But do you know that every person think that girls cannot do, they are very weak. So do you know that if they are weak, so only they are weak by the persons. And if they are doing the any work, all the time they are doing that work on the base of them. And do you know that if their woman is doing anything, so all that time it is doing by their parents. Because if they are thinking that a girl is burden, so there nothing can be got by that woman. empowerment, friends, at the before timing, women don't have power and don't have permission to go out and talk with anyone. She can't do anything, and after getting married she have to cook food in home, and she don't have permission to go outside after 7 o'clock at the night timing. But now friends, women can do what they want, and women can do everything, and now we should not some person thinks that women cannot do anything, but I am telling you that women can do everything which a man can do anything, so women can also do everything whatever they want.
It plays very important role in each one's life, because I think that we know that our home is made by a woman. We know that I think that no one can spend the time, means no one can manage our house without our mother. So we can't say that women are weak, because I think that everyone think that the man does the more hard work than the woman. But I don't think that, because we all watch in our home that our mother arrives early in the morning and our mother does lots of hard work for ourselves, and they prepare and manage to entire house. But I don't think that it will be easy for any man to do these things. So I think that friends, women are more powerful than a man, and they can also do all the things which is present in this world. And I think that we know that at the initial time there was many foundations in the women that they were not going outside for a working and for anything. But now we are watching that women are active in all the places, in all the fields. Means they are able to do anything, even they are being anything whatever they are wanting. So I think that women can also do everything. We don't have to think that women are weak. But friends, we know that at the initial timing the people did not used to send to the women for getting the education, because they were thinking that their work is that they only have to live in our house and they only have to cook the food and they only have to manage the house. But I don't think that they have to do these things, because they are also able to do another things in this world. So I think that the women have a more power.
So friends, I want to also speak on the matter women's empowerment is a reality or not. And I think that I have got a very nice opportunity to speak on this topic, because you know that most of the people in this world think that women, they are nothing. They are only a human being but not nothing. But I want to tell you guys that women empowerment is definitely a reality. And in the past, if you think about the past, so you would say that women did not do anything in the past. So they had the power that time also in the past, but they were not able to show that, because there were many things which were binding them to go ahead. There were many stoppages to them to go somewhere or to do the somewhere. Otherwise in the past also they would have done many good things, and absolutely they have also done. I want to give you example that if I want to specify this matter, so I want to give the example of the Rajchandri Devi, that who studied in the light of the lamp, and she became such a wonderful woman in the history of the India. Means she only studied in the night lamp. We can just imagine, we all are having so much facilities, but she just studied in the night lamp. So this is also telling us about the woman empowerment. And now if you watch, so wherever the women are not getting the opportunity, they are not depending on the man, because they are making the opportunity, they are doing any work, but they are not dependent on their husband fully. They are educated and they have now become the educated. So I think the woman empowerment is always reality, and it will be reality in the future also.
So next I also want to share my some views upon the topic that women empowerment is reality or not. So friends, according to me, women empowerment is reality. Totally, it is a real thing. But friends, now this time, day by day, it is increasing, and women are getting the opportunity for doing whatever they want. As friends, we are listening that many times we are listening that women cannot do whatever man can do. But friends, the reality is that man cannot do whatever woman can do, because there are many kinds of women who are doing their household work as well as they are getting some job, and they are working in their job also. But if we will say to any man to do the household work as well as to do the job also, so they will say no. So friends, the woman has too much power in comparison to the man, and they can do whatever they want to do. And there are many such examples, just like the of the Sarojini Naidu. And also friends, the Women Day is celebrated on the 8th March, and it was started because in the Russia, when the revolt was done by the women in a college, so from that day the Women Day started to celebrate.
Next, I want to also share some thought about women empowerment. So we all know that how much women are important in our life. In every home, they are very important. They play a role of mother, sister, and many more things. So very important for every house. And we know that now is at this time the woman and man all are similar. All the woman can do everything what the man can do. But in this world there are many more places where the people think woman cannot do as similar as the man can do. But this is very wrong thinking. Woman can do everything whatever the man can do. They like we have many more examples, Kalpana Chawla and many more women who did many things to show that women can do anything.
Firstly, I would like to say thank you that I got a nice opportunity, and I also like to share some views and opinions on the topic, which is women empowerment. As everyone has shared the role of the woman, but I also like to tell one main and the most important role, which is that a girl means the earth is without the, if the girl means the earth is without the woman is just like an entity, because the girl and the woman gives the life to the another species. And if you think that without the girl the life can start, so it's impossible, because only one species, which is the woman, can give the birth. And if we think that without the girl and without the woman our life will start, so it will not continue. Therefore we should not think like it. And also there are many persons, there are many family who thinks the girl as a burden, but it's a very wrong thing, and we should not think like it, because it's a very bad. And if you think that your girl and your girl child is a burden, so it's just like a garbage thinking, because if you think so, it is impossible, because you got a bond with the woman, and also the woman has too much power, because there is no one who has the power like a woman, because a woman is only that girl who can give the birth, but there is no one who can give the birth as the woman. Therefore we should not think like a burden as to the woman, because if we will think so, it will be a wrong thinking. And I also like to say that there are many girl who has making his identity, because she has got the opportunity to make her identity. Just say if the girl get the opportunity, so she can make his identity, she can make her identity, and also she can do everything. Only the girl wanted the opportunity. Therefore the family should give the opportunity, and the family should not think to the girl as a burden.
As I also want to share my some thoughts about the woman empowerment is a reality. Friends, as I think that the woman empowerment is a reality, because friends, what happened in our life that we only celebrate and we always give the respect only a mother on the Mother's Day, Women's Day, and only a Girl Day. Means we don't give respect to our mother on a daily life. Means that why we are not giving the respect to our mothers, our women, means that why, friends? As I think that what happened in our life that we don't know the value of our life, our women and the mans and the girls. And friends, as I think that what happens that in our life, women plays a very big role in our life. Friends, a man is without a woman is nothing. Friends, what happened that in our life, if there is no woman, so means that there is no meaning of a man. Means friends, what happened that if we have a mother, then we will be able to do something. If we have a mother, then we will able to express our thinking to our mother. And friends, the women are in the form of a mother, sister, and our friends also. Friends, what happened in our life that Women Day came, so only that time people picked pictures with their mothers and women with the women also. Why? They shows that they celebrate and they give value to the woman. But as I think that they only celebrate it only on the Women's Day, means they only shows that I give respect to the woman. But as I think that they don't give, means they only think as thinking that if I will give to the respect to the women, so I will be small. But as I think that if you will give the respect to the women, and if you will give opportunity to the women and the girls also, so you can be a great person in life. Friends, what happened that the man's think as thinking that women are only for cooking foods and manage the house. But friends, as I think that if women can manage the house, so it can be able to manage the whole world also. Friends, as we all know about the many example of the women, that the Kalpana Chawla and Prime Minister also, as the previous timing, the Indira Gandhi Prime Minister, they also manage the world, and they also do the government, means they do the appreciate to all pupils, means that these all are women who appreciate to the girls and the women also. Friends, as I think after listening these words, you can easily arise your power, means opportunity to the women. If you will give the opportunity to the women, then they will can also give proud to you in this world. And as the people who are thinking that women are only for cooking food, so change your thinking, because if you will not change your thinking, so you will be not able to be called as a man. And friends, as I think that if you think that if you will give the respect to the woman, so you will be small. So as I think that if you will give the respect to the woman, so you will be called as a great person and as a great man in this world.
I would like to share my own thoughts on women's empowerment is reality or not. So according to me, it is right that the women's empowerment is right, and all the humans have power for doing all types of work, whatever they want, and also the women can do also all types of work, whatever they want. And also now this timing the work that men are used to doing, and also now this timing the women are also doing that work. And in our life the women plays double roles, means that also the women are doing the homework also, and also they are going to for doing the job also. And also, do you know, we should give the respect to our mothers also, because if our mothers will not cook food for us, so how can we be able to eat food? So according to me, also we should give respect to all the women of our country and all the over the world. And also friends, the women can do everything, and also before many timings the women can't do anything because there was the stoppage, but now this timing there was not a stoppage. And if any person will stop to the women, so also now the women are fighting with the others for getting their for getting the powers, and also for going to the school and for getting the education. And if also friends, let me tell you that the women can do everything, and also in the homes they are doing all the types of work. And friends, do you know our fathers only do the jobs, but also our mothers do the jobs, and as well as also she does the homes work also. So according to me, we must give the respect to all the women. So friends, as you know that today we are talking about the women's empowerment. So friends, I would like to also share some of the views in front of you all about the women's empowerment. So friends, according to me, it is the truth that women have the all types of power, and women can do everything whatever the men are doing. And sometimes the women can do that thing which the men can't do, and they can't think in their life. But friends, what happened that in the past timing, the women used to think that the girls and the women are the burden, and their work is only for surviving the housework, and they think that the women's work is only that they have to take care of their children, and beside it there is no work of the women. But friends, let me tell you that if a person who is thinking such a types of things, according to me, that person is not a woman, that person is coming in the category of the animals. So friends, if any person is thinking such a types of things, so according to me, that person should think that they are the animal. And if the person are used to thinking such a things, according to me, that person should change their mind setting that women have the also power, and they can do whatever they want in this world. And friends, as we know that in this world, the women are also doing such a things which the men are doing as well. And friends, the women are doing that things which the men are not doing. But friends, now I don't want to compare between the men and women, but I would like to say only that the women have the also power, and they can do all types of work whatever they want. And friends, also the women are doing two types of work, means they are also surviving their life as well as they are doing the job, and they are doing the work in the house also. They are cooking food, and they are taking care of their children. So friends, let me tell you that we should always try to give the respect to the women, because if you will not give the respect to the women, still then we can't be able to get our success. And friends, what happened that women always search the opportunity, but what happened that in the past timing, the men don't try to give the opportunity to them, but now the women are taking the opportunity by their own self. They are not dependent on the others, because they are thinking that they have also the power, and they can do whatever they want in their life.
So as I think that become something to do something in their life, as same as the women women also have a dream to become something. Now this time, if you will watch in any industry or in any field, so you will watch and you will show that there are many people and there are many women and girls who are working continuously. Now this time many girls are playing games continuously. They are just rocking in the India and in the whole world. So I think that if you are thinking and if you have a myth like this that a woman can't do anything, so just leave that thinking and don't think that a woman can't do, because a woman have a power with a according to means if we will compare with a man or with any person, so I think that a woman and a girl have a big power to do any work. So friends, what happens that we all have a dream to do a work, but in the previous time, means in the ancient world, the people used to think that if the women or girls will go to school, so they will have to go between from the market. So what is this? It's a myth only. If they will go between from the market, so they will also everyone will see, okay, what will happen? Nothing. They will go and they will read and they will come to home. So I think that just change your thinking by which the world can be changed by you. So thank you everyone who is giving me this platform for speaking about a very nice topic. So let's start. So today I am going to tell you about the women's empowerment. Is it reality or not? Friends, what happened that in our life, the humans are bound to come, and there are only of two types, man and woman. So why should we are doing the difference between both of them? Because they are humans. They both can do the same thing. And I want to tell you one thing more, that whenever a woman reads, so she reads for a whole generation, because she never let their children or their child to go on the wrong way. And but as per me, if a man is there and he is also educated, so as per me, many times it happens that the children go at a wrong way. So as per me, if a woman is good, so all thing is good. And why are we doing difference between the woman and man? Because man and woman, they both are human. They can do the same thing and same work, just like the Rani Lakshmi Bai. He was a queen of the Jhansi, and when the king of the Jhansi was died, although she was not giving the Jhansi, and she also killed too many foreigners and many person who was belonging to the England and who were beating to the persons and doing bad things with the persons of the India. So I only have to tell you this thing, that we should not do the difference between the woman and the man, because there is no God of the education, and there is only one goddess of the education, that is Ma Saraswati. She is also a girl and a woman, so we should never do the difference.
It's true that women's empowerment is a reality, because where there is a woman, on that place the progress it starts very easily and very directly. How? Because women has power same as a man. Whatever man can do, same here women also can do. If a man can work, women also can work. If a man can achieve a success, so also women can achieve a success. If man can complete his dream, so also women can complete their dream. But what happens that men are not giving the chance to women. But now this timing, in this world, in 2021, the women, they are also getting equal rights. But what is happening now this timing? Previous timing, women were not getting the rights, and now this timing, when they are getting the rights, so on that timing, people are looking as nothing. How? Let me tell you. Now here we are not behaving good with the men. How? Now here we are saying that women's empowerment is a reality. It's true. Women are powerful. Women are able to do every kind of work. But now this time we are comparing women with the men. But it's not correct, because as women are powerful, same here men are also powerful. Both have same blood. Both have same kind of brain. Both have two hands, 2 legs, 1 face, 1 neck, and etc. item. That means that women and men both are the equal. Now we are in this discussion, we are proving this thing that women are better than men, but it's not true. Here if you are giving the example of the many of the women, so I am also here for giving the example. If you are giving the example of Rani Lakshmi, so on here I am giving the example to you of the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. If you are telling about the Indira Gandhi, that Indira Gandhi first prime minister, so now let me tell you Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the Indian first prime minister. That means that both are same. both are equal, both are 50%, but not woman is 71% or not man is 29%. Here no comparison between them. Only we have to know this thing that women are also powerful. Whatever work men can do, same work women also can do.
Now I also would like to say something about this matter, as I thought a lot, and I know that in our life the woman is very important. If women are there, then success also can be got by us. As with a man and with a woman, our family complete. So as per me, the both are important, and if the women are there, then we are getting the success. But if the man is not there, then also we cannot be able to do anything. So if the women are going in the job nowadays, they are getting all the facilities. So I think they are proving that they are habitual to that.
We are talking about the women empowerment, so I am going to also share my some thoughts about it. So friends, as you all know that the women are equaling to the men, and they are doing same thing that the man can do. So we should not compare with man and woman, because they all are equal, and the God have made them, and there is only one God, not many gods. So therefore we should not compare them, and we should think that the men are also the women are also equaling to the men, and they are also getting the knowledge, and their parents are also sending them to the schools. So they have also their qualities, and they have unique qualities, and they can do that thing that no one can do. Means the man cannot do that thing which women can do. So we should not underestimate the women. We should always think that the women can also do that thing which we can do, means which men can do, and we should never try to think that the women cannot do anything in their life.
And I want to tell you about also women's empowerment. So everyone says that women are the burden in our human's life, and whenever a man gets success, that their family calls that he is my son, he can do anything in our life. But whenever a girl gets success, so no one can say that and everyone says that can you do it really, or did you do it really, because you cannot do anything because you are a girl. So this is the wrong thing. And I want to also share something that this time some women are scared to fight with men, and some women are scared to scold to men, because I want to tell you that in the ancient time, it means in the time of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna helped Draupadi to save her life. But this time I want to say that badly, Lord Krishna will not come this time. Means in Kali Yuga time, Lord Krishna will not help Draupadi, because you need to carry your own weapon, and you need to survive in your life. Because if you will survive in your life, so you can do anything in your life.
According to me, when the kings in the India and the many countries, they think that the woman didn't have any right for the teachers and for the read something. But when the government, when the rights come, then the women give the rights to teachers and to read something and for do something new in this world.
According to me, women are very important for us. We can't come here without women. Women gets too much pain. They burn us. Then they can't want any. Then they don't want anything with us. That child, you will give me this thing. You please give me this thing. But after some time, this child is scold and beat to him that, mother, you are very bad. But his mother don't want anything from it. But in the past time, mother and the woman have no any power. But after the World War I, the woman came out from the home, and they go to market and use what they want to do.
Friend, all are same and we all are equal, because friend, into the previous time we can say that there was some problem because the all old person used to compare the both one. But friend, now at this time we all have understood this thing that the girl can do any work, so boys can also do that work. And as someone told that
girl can also make the food, but boys can't make the food with their work. So I want to tell you that boys can also do this thing, and all thing can done by the boys and the girls. We should not compare it. And friend, I want to tell you that into the whenever a boys get the success, whenever a man get the success, so a girl hidden into the back of him. But friend, I want to tell you that when a girl get the success, so 20 to 50 men hidden into the back of her. So friend, I want to tell you this thing that the both are successful in this time, because we have also example of Kalpana Chawla, and we have also example of Elon Musk, who made the life into the Mars, and the Kalpana Chawla, who was the first Indian, she went into the space. And I want to tell you that now all are equal. We should not compare it with each other, because whenever we compare it with each other, that both gender with each other, so we will not get any confused. We will always try to blame to each other. We will always get the one thing that the girl will say that girls are more powerful, and the boy will say that boys are powerful. But according to me, all are right and all are powerful, and no one is weak, no one are doing any bad work. The both gender are same.
So as we all have given our views and even suggestions on this matter, and we even imbibe lots of learnings and even so many teachings related to the women empowerment. Next, I want to also give a present example before you all. So actually at the ancient times, as the women were known as a burden, so after that actually a pratha came, you can say a custom known as sati system, which was really so worst one. What was like that? Suppose a husband and wife are very good, really, you can say a very good connections there, foundation. Suddenly the husband went off, he just went and he just left his life. So what was the system? Accordingly to this system, the woman had to jump in a very fire funeral and full of really so much, you can say, worst type of fire, and she had to just give her life to the husband for that, proposing her, like you say that, for just giving her respect, or for just doing such a kind of like a foolish activity done by the people. And if the woman was not she was not ready to do this kinds of activities, so what the people of the villages they do, that they used to just push the woman in the very burning funeral, and she had to just lost his life. Or if this, instead of that, sometime actually if a woman is not ready to give her life, so what the actually the bet was there, a deal was actually goes ahead, that you will have to every time that no sindoor, you can say no vermilion, nothing, no jewelries, you cannot eat the food, lots of amount of food, every kind of food, there were so many restrictions, so many prohibition for doing any kinds of work. So this was a very worst system. But after that a person came in many debates, and you can say so many discussions went off, and after that finally the women got the, you can say, their success, because it was really a huge success for them. So I want to just keep example, and even everybody told that we must women are the better than men, and everybody just said something like that. But it's wrong that women and men, because both are same, both are in a balanced condition of their lives, both are the equally. And even I want to say that if I ask a question with you all, that in which thing the most person has to feel pain, and you can say a very badly pain, so that is the first. I'll start with the second one. When a person is burnt alive, and just think of that you are standing and suddenly just went off in a fire and you are burning there, so how will you feel? So pain really. But the first one is the pregnancy, when a mother gives birth to a children, to us, because we all are children, we are the kids, and even a mother, she was also the kid of someone. So we must never underestimate somebody's power, because you don't have any right to judge someone or to actually explain that you have such kinds of mistake, because every person has something talent, but it takes a time to come out. So it's just like a bolt from blue that occurs from a person. So I just want to tell you about all these things. So okay.
सर जी हमेशा बैठे रहते हैं।